What's up everybody? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add Tempo to MetaMask wallet. This is the blockchain for payments at scale and it's already live on the mainnet. So in here, we need to press on tempo.xyz, new page is going to appear. And then on the new page, we need to press on docs. This is their home page. And then once you're going to get to the docs, we just need to find and press on connect to the network. And in here, there's a couple different options. So they have Mainnet and they have a Testnet. Most likely you'll need to add Mainnet, not a Testnet. So there's a couple options. It says connect using browser wallet. But if you do that, what I notice, it actually adds Testnet, not a Mainnet. So in this case, we're just gonna have to add manually. We scroll down, this is the information we need to put into MetaMask as a custom network. Open up your MetaMask, in the top right corner, a hamburger menu, press on it, and then networks. Right here, we need to press on add custom network. And in here, this is where we're gonna add all this information from here to here. You can just copy and paste or type it. Okay, once you type all the information in here, and apparently when I type Tempo Mainnet, it gives me a little error that it might not match. So I just deleted and I left it at Tempo. And once you have everything else filled out, just press on save. And that's it. This is by default. You're gonna see weird amount number here, but if we scroll up on their main page, it says note that on some wallets you might see unusual high balance. This is due to historically blockchain wallet have always assumed that the blockchain has negative gas token on Tempo. There is no negative gas, and so the value show is in a placeholder, and then you can open up for more details. And that's it. And for example, if you decide to purchase actually USD, because this is what this network is run on, best site to do that, relay.link. When you come here, let's say you're going to be paying with Ethereum, and then you'll be receiving Tempo token. Just select token, in here type Tempo, choose Tempo, and then whatever, either Path USD or USDC. In most places they use Path USD, and then just add as much as you would like to send. Let's say 22 bucks. It's really cheap to exchange, and just go through this process. And once you're gonna swap, then Path USD will appear in your wallet. And this is pretty much it. All the links from this video I'm gonna leave in the description below. Good luck to everybody, and thanks for watching.